Look where we are, in the middle of nowhere. Now, you would think I'll be on some adventure, but actually, in fact, I'm in the Surrey Hills. And I can't believe that it's been a year since the MCN London Motorcycle Show and the CHARLEY BOORMAN Adventure Stage. And I was thinking, maybe we should do it again. And so I'm just about to go from here, just to show you can have an adventure anywhere you want, up to the XL in London, in a road less trodden, as they say, maybe the long way round, corny. But it is beautiful, and you can do incredible riding in this country. We're very lucky. So anyway, now's the time to get to London. So one of the things I love about the UK and riding here and finding your own adventure just on your doorstep are the green lanes that there are all over this country. So you don't have to go necessarily into Europe or South America or Africa. You have it all on your doorstep. Going from green lanes to country roads reminds me a little bit of my latest adventure with Ewan, Long Way Home, which we travelled through Northern Europe and Eastern Europe. Had a most fabulous time, which I'm sure I'll be mentioning when we're at the London Motorcycle Show. It's amazing how quickly the transition is from green lanes to B roads to this highway. One of the great things about riding through London is how beautiful it is and all these incredible landmarks. One of the things that I really love about riding a motorcycle up into London, apart from going to the MCN Live Motorcycle Show, is riding through all that traffic and looking at all the beautiful sights. I used to be a courier many, many years ago, and I've spent the last sort of 30 years riding in London. Any opportunity to get back up into town and have a ride is just fantastic. So come and join me at the MCN Motorcycle Show here at XL. It's between the February the 14th and 16th. And if you get your tickets early, if you get them now on mcnmotorcycleshow.com, you can get them cheaper. So come down, the pedal coaster is going to be there, all the manufacturers are going to be there. It's going to be a huge show. And of course, I'm going to be there on the adventure stage. I'll be on twice a day with loads of other guests and interesting people to plan your adventure or whatever you want to do. Come on down.